Well, I would hope the seeing portion wouldn't even be into the question, but okay.
Bro, he's gonna do it so much I can see it from the computer screen.
Okay, that is kind of true, though. I mean, at least he's not, like, goon. At least he isn't a fucking actual gooner, like, shirtless. Bro's such a gooner, his name is actually shirtless. Yes, he did. Don't you remember when he was gooning the Froggy?
I don't think that was ever true.
That was totally true.
I think he's such a public masturbator for a reason.
Like, why else would that be something that he himself would actually say?
Bro, I have
He knew that we'd fucking bully him for it.
I have so many times to a luck-based thing that I could have done consistently in being level. There's so many dumb luck-based things.
Spotting everything.
I don't think I'm even gonna beat this within the next 1,000 attempts. At least with Kingslayer, it was consistent.
Please, dude.
Yes! Oh my
Did you beat
god,
it?
yes, I beat it.
That's what
GG.
Yes! Okay.
Hell yeah.
I only had 3 ending deaths.
Okay.
Fucking Christ, that is so stressful.
I'm all right now, money on my Amazon gift
Ah,
card, just
fantastic.
more money.
Holy
I
shit.
don't need it.
One of my favorite extremes in the game, like, by far. That is insane. Fuck, I cannot type. I'm shaking so bad.
Nerve control.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Like, that ending is so nerve-wracking.
So much more than Rust.
No.
Or Rust is also nerve-wracking.
No. Not much compares to Rust.
What about the other level you beat? That's 9 minutes.
Rust is worse than Death. I've said that before. Rust is way worse than Death. But as far as this level goes, it's kind of nerve-wracking, but like you get pretty nervous throughout it. But the ending, the way it's made, is so nerve-wracking. And I'm talking about like the ending, not like the last actual part. Because it's just a like a 40-second an invisible straight fly. It's terrifying. I nearly died.
Remember the same as like fucking.
Oh, there we go. That's Go Bird by Awesomeme360. Yeah, I don't care. Like, fantastic level.